Good morning from Angeles City, Philippines. As you can see, we're heading up onto Clark. We're coming into main gate area this morning. Say they got po check here. I don't know what the po check is. The police. Let's get somebody stopped asking questions. What's he doing here? Right, Kuya? All right. I don't know what that was all about. They seem to be out checking for something this morning. Usually you just breeze right through. You know, they have the far right hand side as you come on for motorcycles, where I went through. And then they have the car and buses and other vehicle entrances in one area. I guess you could scoot through on a motorbike. I don't know. Never tried. So anyways, like I said, I'm going to be up here on Clark this morning. Got to run to the bank, and we'll just ride around. It's been a while since I kind of rode around on Clark here, and they're like a moto vlog. I know some people like them, and some people they don't like them. That's why I have a variety of stuff I do on my channel. So let's boogie on down the road. Guys, right there on the right hand side, that is the Royce Hotel and Casino, the biggest, newest, baddest casino here on Clark. It is nice. On the outside it's nice. I haven't stepped inside. I'm not a casino guy, not a gambling guy, but they do have quite a few, like right through here, right here, starting at the Royce all the way down. I'll show you. We'll just take a ride right down here real quick, and I'll show you the casinos. Casino Road. Royce. I watched that being built. Come on, everybody. Get on the Medical City, Clark. I watched them widen this road. Then on the right hand side, this is all Royce, all this here, all Royce. Used to be just one building, and they've expanded. All right, well, I'm not going to waste your time sitting at this traffic light. These traffic lights here, man, they're like 90 seconds, no, 90 seconds long. Like, they're like over a minute, right? Minute and a half or something like that. I'm not going to bore you sitting here at this traffic light. Let's go. We'll go into the main entrance to the hospital. They changed this up here too. Used to have to go up to the stoplight right there and wait. They put this little loop in here to where you don't no longer have to wait to turn right. Come up here and do your business and move on. This Hans Casino and Resort, that was another one. I watched that being built from the ground up. It was just a big old hole in the ground, and I watched them build that. Here's your entrance to the old hospital. There's your McDonald's on the left, and you got a little entranceway here. It should be open. I don't know, sometimes they get funny through here. But there's your McDonald's, and here's your old entrance to the old hospital, right? This was it. Hospital straight ahead. I will get in there. I know people want me to get back in there. I will get back in there and do another video through there. Morning. Well, there it is. There's the old National. Now it's the National Museum of the Philippines. They have the workers down here cleaning up. That's nice. We'll just you know, we'll do a loop around through here. There it is. There's the hospital straight in front of us. We'll turn to the right. You can come in there. You can walk around the outside. Nobody's gonna give you a hard time or anything. You just can't get into the hospital no more. It's restricted. As you can see, they got the fence still up all the way around. But like I said, you can walk through here. In the back area back there, the old clinics that are straight ahead. You can go back in there if you want. Remember, at your own risk. There are cobras. There are cobras. So at your own risk. Let me shoot this way. I'll go the back area here. Shoot out the back here. See, there's a couple ways to get in here. I don't know if I could run my motorcycle right through there. Let me see. Is it open? Is it open? Let me look here. Yeah, there's no glass in here. So I ain't worried about the glass. So if nobody jumps out in front of me. Yeah, nobody's done that. Well, maybe security. Oh, there he is. Hey, buddy. Let me see. Let me go out this way. He's got his puppies over there. There we go. Right on out. First time I've done that. Top that. Like I said, security guys, I'm sure, have rode their motorbikes through, and you can actually see a open trail path area. So, all right, that's the first time I've done that. Security guy was there, but I've gotten to know a lot of these guys here. So, all right, let's move on elsewhere, shall we? This is like the back road that kind of goes behind the hospital. The hospital would be on your left-hand side. This at one point was just a single road coming through here. And now it's a 4-lane road. This is the road I got my first ticket on up here on Clark. All right, guys, you know what? The camera went dead on the bike, the motovlog. So we're just gonna stop and talk and walk and have a good time this way. Guys, this is the entrance to Fontana. It's very nice. Hello, this is, how you doing? This is Chinese. This area here is a Chinese owned. It's not owned, but the Chinese have taken this area over, and but really nice. I can't remember the last time I seen the water going, but isn't that nice? That looks very nice. Fontana. Like I said, this is the entrance. We're gonna go in there. Nicely decorated, landscape through here. There is a casino in here. There used to be a water park, but the water park is gone. Hot spring swimming pool, they have that in here. And it's open to the public. The public can come in here and they can use the hot spring in the pool area. And there it says food street, lunch, dinner, night snacks, shabu shabu. So there it is, the entrance. So let's shoot in here and I'll show you around. All right, so this is Fontana inside. It reminds you of like a neighborhood back in America. Do not ask me who lives in these homes. Do not ask me if you can rent these homes. I have no clue. And if you ask, people have no clue. So yeah. And like, yeah, you're not a good tour guide, Philly. Well, I can only ask. And the response I have gotten over the years is, no, you cannot rent them. How can I speak to somebody to rent them or live in here? Sorry, sir. I don't know. But it is nice. I think it's a pretty nice, reminds me of, reminds you you have a subdivision back in America. There to the left was the water park, and that thing has closed up, probably never to reopen. Probably cost you a fortune to reopen it. But man, it reminds you of, you see a dinosaur in there, right? Reminds you of a haunted, abandoned water park. All right, guys, I'm outside Fontana right now. It was funny because I stopped at the water park just to kind of look at it, the one that's abandoned. And there was a couple guys in there. Let me turn this off. There was a couple guys in there that were looking at it to renovate it again, to bring it back up, to see if it was worth, worth the money and the investment and everything. And I was talking to the one gentleman, and his mom and dad, his family, is the ones that actually built Fontana Park years ago. And they have a small part in it right now, but he did say you can rent villas in there by the month and by the year. He doesn't know how it works anymore. He said you'd have to go up to the office area and talk to them. So they do rent villas in there. I ride through there, and you can see that at one point, I think Fontana was a beautiful, beautiful villa, with the pools and, with the housing and with the community. And I think at one point it was just a thriving community. And, but you can tell, like, things need improvement in there, and to do things and improve things costs money. So, like I said, at one point I think it was a beautiful, thriving community. Anyways, if you want to know, contact the the main office, and they can tell you they can tell you all the information you want to know when it comes to renting one of the villas out. So, anyways, like I said, we're on the back gate up by the water park. So let's do some riding around here. All right, here we are. To your left there is old housing units. When the airbase was here, all these right through here to the left-hand side. Looks like they've cut the grass down. Looks like they painted them. I don't know. Every time you come up here, there's always something new going on. There's your water park on the right-hand side. Right here on the left-hand side. Let me stop because, this is Clark, and they're kind of funny. Well, no, they're not funny. They obey the laws. You stop. Right here on the left-hand side is this villa here. This was all. What do you call it? Housing units for the old military base, and they went through and renovated everything and cleaned it all up. I did a video on it a while back, but boy, is it really nice. And prices are a little on the salty side if you rent in there, for the night or for the week or whatever. But yeah, really nice. Turn left here. This is the back parking area for the water park. I don't know where that road goes. Let's go look down this road. All right, guys, so I came back this road. We'll go out the road. I'll show you. It just kind of comes down and it dead ends. Well, it doesn't dead end, but there's a guard there, and there's a gate across the road. But this is your old housing back in here too, the old military housing. So it comes back to the end, and the guard says, nope, closed. I said, okay, no problem. There's all your parking for the water park over here on the left-hand side. And then this was all your military housing over here. Ugh, the roads. So yeah, I'm not going to go back in there because Cobra. Guarantee you there's Cobra. All right, Clark Safari to your right. Let's shoot back here. Clark Safari. This is a nice safari, nice zoo. Clark Safari Zoo is what it is. But it's really nice. I was in here a while back. Put it this way, it's been probably wasn't 100% completed. However, it was nice. Now this here on the right hand side is the old housing also, the old housing. So here it is, Clark Safari entrance. Let's, yeah, I'm going this way. I'm gonna go this way. This may be the back end of that road that was closed off. Well, there's your park. There's your safari over there. I don't know what the buses are for. It kind of gets narrow here, the road. And it ends. All right. Well, no, it turns into a concrete. Then it ends. All right, now I'm at the Clark Safari. Left the abandoned road and came in here. I just wanted to show you the Clark Safari here, what it looks like inside here. There it is right there. Clark Safari and Adventure Park. Big old eagle right there. This is your entrance. Lots of parking all up and through there. The guy let me park my motorbike over there. But this is it right here. Pretty cool looking, reminds you of Jurassic Park, right? Well, that's what these little carts are here for. Kind of looks like a little ride, maybe some type of ride. Kind of reminds you of the old go-kart rides when you were a kid, or when I was a kid. I don't know what it looks like. It looks like all parts. Looks like scrap parts. E-cars, right? Some e-cars. But it is very nice here, really decorated. It's got a really cool theme. I'll get you prices and stuff on the on the adventure. Wasn't that pretty cool? That's cool looking. Really cool looking. This is all new from when we were in here. The last time we were in here. All right, let me oh, they got let me get some prices. I've just seen this here. Rent me VIP private tour adventures for $4,500. Don't know what that includes. That may be something new from last time I was in here. Let me get a price here. Oh, a tram ride can accommodate 15 people. So I guess the more you got, the better. 13 to 15 people, 4,500. So you rent the whole thing. If you got that many people, you're good to go. All right, so here's the prices. All right, to get in, one adult is 5,999 pesos. So you're looking at 600 pesos. Kids are 499, 500. So 600 and 500 to get into the, yeah, to get into the park. That's not a bad deal. It is a nice park. I'm telling you right now, if you do come to Angeles City and you're a couple, right, or you have kids, I highly recommend this park. It is a walk-through park. They've got a lot of cool things in there. No outside food or drinks are allowed, but definitely highly recommend it. Like I said, if you're a couple or even if you're single, give you something else to do. You know, walk away from the walking street. It's okay. Come out here, check it out. It's a cool zoo. Anyways, I'm not promoting it. I'm not plugging it. I'm just here showing you. All right, guys, I'm at the top of the hill here. D Heights Golf Club. It's on the very top of the hill up here, kind of above the Hilton Hotel and the casino. Beautiful golf course up here. I want to ride around here. I don't like to stop because they sometimes they yell if you take pictures up here. So I'm just gonna show you around here. Wow, look at that view. That's just an amazing view. We'll take our time and make our way down the hill here. beautiful? I watched them build all this over the years. D Heights Golf Club is what he told me the name of this is. Korean, it's all Korean owned through here. Korean businessmen, Korean have taken this and created all this up in here. But boy, is it beautiful. There, buddy. I'm taking my time so you guys can see, but the views here are amazing. Look at the Mountain of Riot out there. Look at that. That is something else. I don't know if this camera does any justice to where you guys can actually see it. Ugh. Slow down, slow down. Speed bump, speed bump. Look at that. Pristine golf course. I'm not a golfer, but to me that's nice. Look at that view. Isn't that amazing? Everybody in a hurry. Get them. Over here they're building some type of villas, I was told. Construction out there. But anyways, there it is, guys. Top of the hill. Always be friendly and nice to the guards. Speed bump. Alright, I want to show you this real quick. I jumped off my bike, kind of give you the view from up here, show you what you're looking at from up here. I mean, here's all your golf course, still all down through here. But right out there, that's the water park that we were just at. The safaris down in that area, right behind the water park. But boy, look at this view. Isn't this amazing? It's just a beautiful view from up here. All right, let me get this. All right, now we're gonna head into the Hilton. Just gonna ride through the Hilton parking lot here. What did you say? What do you need?
Open the trunk, sir.
Oh, open the trunk. Yeah, all right, no problem.
For inspection.
All right. The seat trunk here?
Yeah.
All right, there you go. Everything good? You want that one open? Want this one open?
Yeah.
All right.
Sir.
Gotta do our job, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Empty. I'm gonna leave with a bunch of cash. That's the object.
No.
Come in empty, win a bunch of money, and I can stick it in there, then I can leave, right?
No, sir.
No. It's a casino. You gotta win money, right? All right. That's a beautiful dog.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Hello.
How are you?
Oh, that's a beautiful dog.
You're a blogger?
Yes, sir. All right.
Hello, guys. Welcome to my vlog.
All right.
What's your name, sir?
All right, guys. That's a pretty dog. I like that.
Handsome dog.
Handsome. Very handsome. Yeah. Maybe he didn't understand what I was saying. I was telling him I'm coming in with an empty trunk to win a bunch of money so I can leave with a bunch of money. That's why my trunk is empty. All right. Surprise. It's all new construction over here. There's your Hilton entrance right there. Then there's your casino to the left. I've been in there one time, the casino and the Hilton. Very nice. Very schwanky, I guess you could say. These are all condo rentals up through here. Watch them build this. Coming from Angeles City up this way. You can look up on the mountain and you can see them. Alright, let's just turn left and let's get out of here. Alright guys, let's shoot over here. Let's shoot over here to the old Wagner Elementary School. Over here, we'll take a little ride through there. People like when I ride through there. I think the high school was here also. Somebody, I know the Wagner Elementary was there. If I'm not mistaken, so was the high school. Let me get out of here. school may have been over here, right? But I do know the Wagner Elementary School is right here on our left. People always like when I come through here. They get flashbacks of when they went to school here. Right here, Wagner Elementary. Or Wagner Middle School. I better correct it, or I'll get yelled at. Wagner Middle School. There. And if I'm not mistaken, high school may have been over here. But I always like riding through here. Big acacia trees. If you were at the school, when the air base was here, Wagner Middle School or the high school, I guarantee you, these acacia trees were here when you were here. And they're still here today. Oh, man. Jar your back and jar your teeth. I think the high school was there. Kind of looks like an old high school, huh? And then middle school was here. All right, let's get out of here. All right, now we're near the parade field. We're up here around the parade field. Let me show you. A lot of construction going on through here, huh? This is CDC. This is a lot of their buildings and. All right, there, buddy. Go ahead. Go ahead. Now you're in a hurry. Hurry to go where? But it's a lot of the office buildings through here. CDC, Clark Development Corporation, office buildings through here. There's a big old bull back there. Big old bull statue. I missed it. There's your parade field in front of you. Still got the Christmas decorations up. Huh. Let me turn to the left. Here's the thing. You used to be able to. Well, I'll see if I can. Oh, wow, they got the track tore up. They have a walking track around here. It looks like they've got it tore up. I hope they put new back in there. Some of it's still there. There's a walking track that goes around the whole entire parade field. Luke and I used to come up here 4 or 5 years ago and walk the trail here, the path. I know a lot of people do come up and they do walk the path. But it was in need of some repair. But isn't this nice? This through here. Left-hand side, they redid all that park. They redid that whole entire park there, make it really nice, like a little playground park. But it's always nice coming up here. It's nice and cool. We got the trees, the acacia trees at night. It's a food court in there. It opens up, turns into a food court. At night, guys, at night. Watch out for the speedy bumps. This is really nice up here, this Clark area. Tennis court here on the right-hand side. Then your barn houses start here on the left. These old barn houses have been here for a while. Some of them are restaurants, some of them, well, they've converted quite a few of them into different establishments. Red Crab's, TRC Steakhouse. I have never eaten at any of these here. Cafe Mesa. You can see the old barn houses, right? I think one's a church. One is Zumba Fitness, it says. CDC employees only. This one is Mabalacat City, what is this? City Hall Annex, it said, something like that. Come on, make your way around, it's okay. I'm the foreigner, I'm the tourist. Oh, it looks like they asphalted the old trail. Kind of looks like new asphalt's been laid down. That's how long it's been since I've been up here. Looks nice, looks really nice. Look at all the Christmas lights. We can't see them. But you can see all the colorful lights, colorful decorations up in the tree. I'm sure this is beautiful to come through here in the evening. That's a call Looks like they're digging up for like some type of drainage system. That's what it looks like. I'm not going to get off and look. I'll come up here and check it out. And there's your Clark Museum to your left. The Old Clark Museum. All right. Let me pull over right here. Let me pull over. All right. There it is, guys. There's our little cruise around Clark Airbase here. The Old Clark Airbase. It's always nice coming out. It's a completely different world out here. You know, people know how to drive when they get on Clark. Everything's clean. People know how to, I guess you could say, respect. People know how to respect things and others. Out here, is it dirty? No. It's just a different world. Different world, night and day. Angeles City and Clark, you know, they're so close yet they're so far apart. So anyways, guys, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed a little cruise around. I gotta get out here. I gotta get out to the walking trail here and see what actually is going on. So all right, guys, we'll talk to you later.